In a world driven by stories, who tells them shapes how we see the world. At VGU Jaipur, we're not just teaching media. We're building the next generation of global communicators, fearless journalists, and creative storytellers. Welcome to the Faculty of Journalism, Mass Communication and Media, where ideas become impact.
What I love most about JMC at VGU is that it's not just about theory. We have been on ground since day one.
The exposure here is unmatched. From studio training to guest lectures by top industry professionals, we are groomed like a real professionals.
VGU prepared me to work with real-world newsrooms. I landed an internship with National Media House.
With industry-aligned curriculum, global internship opportunities, and a learning ecosystem unlike any other.
Our aim is to develop responsible media professionals who think critically, report ethically, and communicate creatively.
Every student is encouraged to find their unique voice. From editing to anchoring, we provide hands-on training in our media, modern labs and studios.
Whether your dream is to anchor the news, direct documentaries, or launch your own digital channel, it all starts here at Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur.